Unidays and Discord have collaborated and are giving away free 1-month Nitro. Before that, one request though.
Most of you all just watch my videos, but don't subscribe. Make sure to subscribe now if you want free Nitro on time. Now let's get back to the video.
This video won't just tell you about how to get your free Nitro, but also teach you how Unidays can benefit you if you are a university student.
Now, in the simplest language, as a university student, if you have an account on Unidays, you can get discounts on stuff. Say like, you can get discount on Starbucks, Apple products, and the products of all the companies that Unidays have tie-ups with. And to be very frank, this also depends on the country you live in, because they even give discounts on some local companies. Now, if you want to know which companies you'll get discounts, just check the list and category here. This is the list of the countries they support. If you're from one of them, you should avail of this offer.
Now, let's create an account on Unidays. Just go to the Discord article, click this hyperlink. It will take you straight to the page. Then click Join Unidays now. If you don't see that blue button, that's alright, just go to the top left-hand side with 3 lines. There you can find Join Now option.
Alright, I've done it. Now mind you, this is only for the actual university students. It's not for school students, homeschooled, and the ones who are studying from some third-party online classes. First, they will ask you to log in with your casual email, and then they will ask you to add your student's email address that's given to you by your university. Your university email will look something like this, say if you're studying at Haskell Islands. First, there will be your name, then Haskell Islands, and then .edu or your local university domain. Mostly only that will work.
Once that's done, you can go to the search bar and get your free Nitro. Now in the article, they have mentioned list of the countries here. It is possible that if you're not from one of them, you may not get your Nitro. Beside that, there are other requirements too, like you shouldn't have had Nitro for 12 months and you need payment method to claim it. But hey, if you're a university student, you can get discounts at least, and it covers most of the countries. I hope you found this video informative. If you like it, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button.
Now you know what's really free? Yeah, server decor and layouts. You can join my Discord server to get free decor and layouts, and maybe some resources to decorate your profile. If you don't want all that, it's alright. Just join us to make new friends. We'll be waiting for you. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and help it reach the people who genuinely need free Nitro but haven't been fortunate enough.